We're at our outside entertainment area. I will recognize this. And we decided to put a table here. And it's going to be all granite. Happened to be in the right place at the right time to get a really nice top. So I looked at the top, did a little bit of measuring with my feet because didn't really need exact measurements. And it looks like a base of about 3 foot by 2 foot will give us the sturdiness for that top. So I brought over some crushed stone because this is where that slab was and the tree had pushed it up. Now, the downside is the slab could still be moving. The tree could keep pushing it up, which is going to offset our table. I don't know, maybe I should slant it the other way to account for that. I still could a little bit, keeping the side towards the tree a little lower, just a touch. I don't really want it to build uneven, but just maybe a slight slant and get us by a few years if it keeps going up. So the key is I put down the base. I feathered out the crushed stone to get it to what I feel is level. And I'm just going by what I feel and didn't put a level on it. Maybe I should, but I trust my feelings pretty good on this. Now the key is I'm going to start building it up, but the key is the outside edge. And this is true with building a stone wall and anything like this. It's that outside edge. That's what you're going to see. The inside you can fill in. So I'll fill it in with pieces that don't fit on the outside. My other criteria is I would like the natural broken edge facing out. So if there's a cut edge like that, I want it in. And so in some cases, and I'm going to do some breaking. I'm going to take the hammer and I'm going to hit them and break them to get them to fit. Like this one right here, it's a little, I got the natural edge there and the natural edge there. Well, that's not really going to work here. Well, maybe it would. Actually, now that I look at that, maybe it would. So it's like a puzzle. So actually, I will bring that over there. I think it might work right there. Rotate that 90 degrees. It might fit right in there. So that's the type of thing I'll do here. Here's a nice one. So here we have broken edge, broken edge, broken edge. And then we have 2 cut edges. So if I can get them facing out and this in, and it fits, and still have room to get a broken edge on this side, then that's what I'll do. If not, I'm going to break it and get it to fit. So these are all leftover pieces that would have been crushed, so I don't, breaking them is fine. Okay, so that's where we're at. I will work on this a little longer before I head over to my other job, and we'll give you an update after a while, maybe after 5-10 layers.